Brown cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage. His name was Jafar. He liked to play with his toy. Once he had to go all the way to Africa. He was shoved in a cage. He begged for freedom, didn't get any, was stuck there for hours and hours on them. Once he was stuck in Africa, he was having so much fun. Brown cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage. Once it's time to leave, he was in a cage again. Once he was in, he accepted his fate. He now lives in a shop, saying hello to all he sees. It was a brown cat in a cage. Cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage, brown cat in a cage. There he was, out of his cage, watching all his family pass. His dad gone, his mom gone, the town dead, left alone to cry. It's no longer 1999, only 2025, with nothing but a gun with a bullet. Found dead, brown cat in a cage.